Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to review Brustro gouache paint set. So Brustro recently launched artist grade gouache color at an affordable price. Before starting this review, let me tell you a little bit about gouache. Gouache paint is an opaque water-based paint. It's often referred as opaque watercolor as it performs quite similarly but has heavier density and much higher level of pigment, which means it can be easily layered and you can easily reactivate them once it dries. This set has 24 colors and each tube are 12 ml and they have very wide range of colors, and it is available at an amazing price which is only 849 Indian rupees. It has 5 shades of blue, 4 shades of green and 3 shades of yellow and so many shades of pink, red, which makes this set really great. I liked their arrangement of colors and its creamy consistency. I just freshly squeezed them out from the tube and used it. And also I don't recommend you to squeeze this paint on a folding palette and then letting that to dry as many artists do that, because if you let them dry on a palette they may crack and eventually fall out from the palette. And also reactivation of these paints before starting your painting is just extra work and takes extra time, so it's better to use it freshly from the tube. This is how it looks after drying. All these colors are very vibrant and has very nice consistency. After swatching, I painted a small portrait with these colors and I am quite happy with the result. And also after drying it doesn't feels like it's chalky, so totally I liked it. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video and comment it. So thank you so much.